In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Silverback gymwear promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Silverback gymwear promo code. Right here, you should be able to find this website right here, which is wither.com. And as you can see right here, we have some promo codes that we can use in order to get a discount. And for example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select this copy code option right here. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get that discount. Going back to our main search right here on Google, as you can see, we have plenty of other websites. And for example, we have this one right here, which is Noji. And as you can see, we have other promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 10% of discount, all I have to do is select get code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use in order to get my discount. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.